back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. If you guys have any requests, then don't be afraid to drop a comment in the comment section. Since we are all in lockdown and quarantining, it's been hard for us to keep in touch with our friends and family, especially grandparents. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some Zoom basics for beginners on Mac, which includes installing the program, how to mute and unmute, accessing external microphones, starting your own meetings, etc. Let's start off with what Zoom is. Zoom is a video conferencing application which gives you high quality video and audio. It also gives you the option of text chat and screen sharing. You're probably asking yourself, does it cost anything? This is a good question. Zoom is available free of charge to anyone. The free version that I will be showing you today will have many features that will satisfy your needs to stay in touch with your loved ones. There are paid versions of this application, which are $150 for the year or $15 a month. The features that are going to be in the free version are you can have video conferencing with up to 100 people. But the only downfall about this free version is that you can't have a meeting longer than 40 minutes. It'll kick you out. But I honestly don't think it's a big deal because you can just start a fresh new one if you need to. It also supports one-on-one meetings with screen sharing, chat, and virtual backgrounds. This primarily is used for businesses to host meetings, for colleges, for classes, and of course for friends and family to keep in touch. Zoom is also available in iPhone, iPad devices. Okay. First of all, we're going to start right now with the installing of the application. So we're going to go to our browser, go to google.ca, and from here we're going to type in Zoom. And in this first section, you'll see a little download section. We're going to want to left click that. And here right away, it'll notice that you have a Mac, so you don't have to worry about getting the wrong version or anything. And you'll see a download blue button here. You're going to want to left click. And we're going to leave the same name that they have, Zoom, and I'll leave it on my desktop. Left click on save. And here you'll see that it's downloaded already. We don't need the browser anymore, so we will X. Note that this is a .pkg format, which is good. That's what we want. We will double click it. I have mine on my desktop, but yours could be somewhere else, wherever you put it. Then go locate it and then open it. Here's some information about the Zoom installer. Continue. Here we will see that we can either install for just yourself or for all users. So everybody will have it on their user account. So let's say your mom and yourself are sharing a computer. Then you can download it on her account and yours right away, so you guys both have access. So I'm going to install it for all users and then hit continue. But before I do that, make sure that you have 64.2 megabytes of free space. If you don't know how much space you have available, then just go to the Apple logo and then about this app, about this Mac, And then at the top, left click on storage, and I do have enough space. I got 6.26 gigabytes available. So that's good. We can X that. And left click on continue. Here it's just telling us that we need 64.2 megabytes of space on a computer, which we do. Perfect. And we're going to left click on install. Here, this will be your Mac computer password that you signed in with. And left click on install. We're going to let this install. Perfect. We can close this. And it should start right away, which is correct. I will just sign out. Here, you can sign in or sign up for an account if you don't have one. I already have an account, so I'm just going to type in my password and let it connect, and there you go. So this is the main page of Zoom. You can start a new meeting. You have to join with computer audio or else you will not hear what the other person is saying. Right here you can see that my microphone icon is going up and down. That's good. That means your microphone is working and it is connected to the correct microphone. If you have an external microphone that you just plug it into the USB slot, then you would want to click this little arrow and then you would want to find it. So here, select a microphone. I can pick built-in microphone or my Yeti microphone that I have currently connected. It's connected to my Yeti, so that's what I want. Perfect. To mute, you can just click the mute just like that. Just click the symbol and it'll mute. And it'll say you are now muted now, which is perfect. And then to unmute yourself, you can just hit it again and it'll unmute yourself. For video, do the exact same thing. If you want to stop the video, you can just hit it and it'll stop the video. If you want to start it again, then you hit it. If you have a webcam that is an external one that isn't built into the computer, then you do the same thing. You hit the little arrow and then you find what model your camera is. To see if you have anybody else in the meeting with you, you can see right here, it'll say 1, 2, 3, whatever. If there's only one person, then that's just you. You're by yourself. But if the number is 2, then you can just click the participants. I'll do it again. Click the participants, and then there will be another person's name right here. Get rid of that. And then for the chat, text chat, you can just click the chat. And then here I can just write, hello, how are you? And everyone will see it that's in the meeting. To share my screen, you can click share my screen. And here there's a bunch of different options. There's desktop, iTunes, whiteboard, etc. If you want to show your screen that you're currently looking at, then you're going to want to hit desktop 1 and it'll show your entire screen. Okay. And of course hit share. the bottom there. Record. So if you have anything that you think is recordable that you want to see again, whether it's for your class or maybe a cute little video that your granddaughter or brother showed you, then you can hit record. But you have to make sure that if you are not the host, then you will need to get permission from the other party. Reactions, you can just raise your hand, send a whole bunch of different emojis. 4, finding out what your name is, or if you want to change your name or anything like that, you can hit zoom.us in the left hand corner and go over to preferences. To preferences, you can see that there's a whole bunch of different things here. You got audio, share screen, chat, background filter, recording, profile, statistics, keyboard shortcuts, accessibility, and general, and video. I don't have my video on right now. That's why it's black. But you would see yourself if you did everything correct. So to change your name, you would just go to the profile section and then edit my profile. You can X that. And then here it'll show all your information that you have. It's a basic license, like I said before, and 100 participants. Here you can change your name to the very top, and I can write just like that. And then hit save changes, and it will stay like that. You can X back out of this, and it'll refresh once I leave this meeting. To leave this meeting, you can hit end, and then end meeting for all because you are the host. So you can everyone will get kicked out, or you can just leave the meeting if a couple other people are still talking or whatnot. So I'll just, for these purposes, I'll just end the meeting for all. And then you'll be back to the main page. So joining, you can left click on join. And here you will have to get a code from the other individual that you want to Zoom with. Or not 9 numbers. Yeah, 9-number authentication in order to get in, but there also may be a password. Okay. So we can cancel out of that. Schedule. Schedule is when you can schedule a meeting and you can put a passcode. So my personal is this. I can put a password on it. I can show how many participants, etc. Okay, and share screen. Here, I'll have to put in my password. It may reset my audio, but basically it'll just show my screen like before. You can just cancel. Meetings, it'll show all your meetings that you have lined up, upcoming and recorded. It's very handy. Your contacts, so all your contacts will be here. All the channels as well will be here. And that's basically it. If you guys have any other questions, then feel free to let me know. You can email me or send me a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. This is How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.